Yo, my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really fast with another video. I really just wanna show you again and again and again that what you actually can get every single day in the market, guys. Obviously, I'm telling you the truth. It won't be like such thing. If you're looking for such thing like you're gonna get profits every single day, unfortunately it won't be like that. You just rather just close this video and move forward to ICT, wherever people they showing you every single day profits. But on this channel I'm showing you the real results. Yeah, so basically everybody knows what the way how I trade. I trade the, oh my days, I trade the break and retest strategy. Yeah, I trade the break and retest strategy. I'm gonna put it on replay mode so everybody can see what actually I'm talking about. So on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, everybody can see we're going up. Yeah, so it's not surprising. Yeah, but yesterday it's been kind of push pull back. Today is supposed to be yesterday, I mean on Monday, supposed to be a push, yeah, to those highs, yeah. But yesterday it closed bearish, and it closed bearish, but literally with a huge wick on the top, if you see it, yeah, and barely wick like at the bottom. So I assuming the sellers is in charge yesterday. Yeah, they closed the day in charge. So what I'm gonna expect today is just nice pullback and then move down. And what they're gonna get to, I assume, to these places, somewhere here, to this area. Just the fact that here is a rejection, here is a rejection, here is a rejection, here's a support, rejection. Yeah. So if you drag that, you're gonna see the break and retest. Yeah. Support, resistance. Here is like break, retest. This is resistance, support, 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 and support. So what I'm assuming is just, I think most likely it's just gonna break this support already. But anyway, what I'm expecting is today to be a bearish move. That's what I'm expecting. So everybody already knows the way how I trade is just literally Asia high and low, guys. I'm waiting for the Asia to be created. So let's see. Okay. So everybody knows I trade the break and retest strategy, yeah? So I'm expecting a bearish move, yeah, today. So what I'm gonna expect today is either to break some of previous day highs, to grab some liquidity, yeah. Then I can wait like literally to come here. That would be the best scenario. Make a market structure shift formation to break the market again. Here I'm gonna be happy to see this sort of setup. Yeah, I like to see this sort of setup. It gives you more confidence. And then on the retest of this leg, yeah, I'm just gonna, because here is a perfect, here is the Asia high zone, and plus is gonna be the break and retest, so double confirmation. I'm gonna put it like that and just targeting this one. Yeah, either my plan is to come here, maybe a small bounce to show me like the evidence, then break, then retest, and on the retest I'm just gonna take it down. That's kind of like my plan, something like that. So you're gonna get like 2.7. That's like not much, but it's still good instead of, you know, nothing. But let's get to see what actually happens. Let me grab all these arrows so you kind of guys already seeing like what I'm expecting. That's like my chart and usual I just hold them while the price is moving, so I can know how to react and where to go to. It's simply you go like 5 pairs, and you literally every single day you can get like different setups. So you see, beautiful, beautiful break. Okay, beautiful. It's going to this side, but anyway guys, from here and look at this perfect scenario. Yeah, it's the Asia low is being broke. Yeah, now it's gonna come to the retest, but look behind that is 1 2 3 react as a support, react as a support, react at the support, broken, comes back to retest, and I'm gonna take it down. You can take it up to here or down to this area, but you can take even somewhere in the middle, somewhere here. Come on. Done. So the way how you see guys, this strategy is actually works. It's nothing too hard, it's nothing too special. You get the bias from previous day price action and you're expecting the move on the next day. You already know the Asia high, Asia low, all the time there is like liquidity above and underneath them. You're just waiting them to break, retest and go down, either to fake above, come back into the zone, retest and then move down. Very simple strategy, very simple concept. And what I like in this strategy is not like some sort of small small stop losses. It's just literally big stop losses, and I like that because it gives me like the room, like I give the trade to breathe, and to make his move, If it goes and hits me like hits the stop loss, then fair enough. But I like. You see, I'm saying again, all this ICT concept is bullshit because now here you got like some sort of imbalance. Here you got some sort of imbalance. If you're checking the previous day, imbalances everywhere. How guys should I know which imbalance is gonna work? That's nonsense to me. That's nonsense. You see, here is kind of worked. Here is worked, but guys, like, how should I know it's gonna be 50%? It's gonna be up from here. It's gonna be from just from here. It's nonsense. You feel me? It's nonsense. So if I'm gonna put like that, look at my stop loss, and it's still hitting my stop loss. Like, I don't know, guys. I don't really like this ICT fair value freaking gaps and all this stuff. I like the break and retest strategy, and it works very nice for me. It works very nice, and I suggest you don't, guys, please don't look at those gurus on the YouTube, because I'm seeing every single day different videos like ICT no bias, ICT bias, ICT fair value gap, water blocks. Supply and demand is pretty nice strategy. I like it, but to me, guys, the supply and demand, that's like support and resistance. It's the same stuff over and over again. People, they just rename it and they thinking like they found another concept. Guys, just think about it, yeah? Order blocks, yeah? That's the same. That's the same. Everybody says like, nah, double top and double bottom. That's like, how is it called? The double top and double bottom, yeah, is called retail pattern, yeah? But how do you call this one? You call a water block. You're institutional. But if you look like perfectly, it's the same double top. You're saying like, nah, I'm waiting for the bigger discount to get into this place. But people don't understand this is not a water block. This is just one top and this is another top. And you're just reacting to the next top. Like the double top and double bottom, how you trade it. You're waiting for the first top to be made, reaction, then to come back to the next top, and then you just seeing like following the price action, you see like beautiful bearish engulfing, yeah, and you just jump into the trade, stops above those highs, yeah. But people, when they're talking about this retail pattern like double top, they're saying like, nah, this is double top. I don't trade the retail pattern. I trade institutional trader, and they doing some different sort of stuff like. But at the end of the day, guys, yeah, you are institutional and you trade order blocks 50%, I don't know what fair value gap, yeah, but I'm just trading simple double top and double bottoms, which is the same sort of stuff. The way how you put like, no, this is my order block, I put in like, this is gonna be my top, this is gonna be my top, and where I'm gonna wait for this next top to be made, and then show me the evidence, and then I'm gonna move down. Same sort of concept. It just, people just renamed it, and they thinking they're trading supply and demand. They don't trade no supply and demand. They trading the charts, simple the charts. So that's not really nice to say, but a lot of people, they get scammed just by those gurus who saying they trade like institutional order block and stuff like that. They trade in the same pattern. The order blocks, I'm saying this is the double top and double bottom, because you can grab. A lot of people, they saying, nah, I'm not gonna take it here because it didn't touch my order block, yeah, but this is actually a break and retest strategy, yeah. This is a break and retest, and a lot of times, guys, you seeing like, for example, this beautiful sell, and you're saying I'm gonna grab from my order block, wherever, yeah, and the price doesn't come up to your order block, yeah, it comes here, retests this low, and then moves down, and you're saying like, it is what it is, yeah. I just missed the trade, but I didn't lose nothing. But the problem is because you guys trading the same pattern all over again without understand that. You just, people, they just making like mash up on your brain. So think about it. Everybody keeps like trading like, I would say I traded here, yeah, like how is it called, the imbalance or wherever is there, yeah. I trade here imbalance, but I didn't trade imbalance. Yeah, somebody trades imbalance and they taking the same setup as I do. But the difference is because they trade imbalance, I trade support and resistance, break and retest strategy. So that's gonna be funny, guys, but this forex is just literally simple. It's very simple. People just complicate it too much to make money out of you guys. But for me, for example, yeah, I learned trade from YouTube, and I learned from the biggest guys like Nick Sean, Daniel Savage, Lambaraul, like all them guys, Alex Swing. I like, for example, Alex Swing, how he explains the video. He explains very, very, very understandable. I recommend you to check his YouTube channel. It's very simple, and he trades as well like break and retest strategy. The difference is because he trades like swing. I'm more intraday, so I like more. I found my zones. I already know the zones where I'm looking at every single day, and I just taking the trades. Either is a loss, either is a win. I'm glad. And I'm happy with it. Sometimes some weeks is a losing weeks, some weeks is a winning. But at the end, as long I keep growing the account, and I'm great. And if you guys looking for the good broker with the lower spreads, you can check down below in the description. You will see the broker that I'm using is a markets broker. So feel free to register and try it out. I've been using this broker from 2019, something like that. So I never had no issues with the withdrawals and all the stuff. So yeah, guys, if you liked this video, please comment down below, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. See ya.